Alright everybody, how are ya? Now we're on Delfino Square. Came from this game. Not a repeated one. Ooh, that was a good boost, wasn't it? Pull the power slide around here, go that way. I always go this way because it's not as much steering, so I always go this way. Okay, there's no point to that, because that slowed me down, and I almost tripped on a banana. Not to spoil, but in those other boxes, there's shrooms. Here's the bridge. This green shell is just worth nothing. Especially in this game, you can't even hold them behind you. Green shells are just nothing. Okay, here I hold the power slide across this whole thing. Boost! Hold the power slide there. Whoops, smoking the wall. That skinny track is someone is bound to trip on. They already did. I was just trying to finish what I was saying. Really? I'm bumping into these old buildings. Oh, did you see that, guys? That was a glitch. Saw under the water. Woo! Yoshi, get out of my way. Now that's the only time the green shell is useful. Just gotta make sure I don't get lightning, because I'll put a thing before them. But I'll put it here. Power slide, curve once again. Shouldn't have to remind you now, unless you skipped the video, which is no point in doing that. Some people just want to see if I win, which is understandable. I do that sometimes, but I don't like it. Maybe I should stop it myself. What I mean is other YouTubers. I only watch myself to see if I have to cut anything off the video. If there's something bad in the video that I don't want to be shared on YouTube, then I can take it off. I like it with here and other games where you hold banana peels. You don't need to hold them, but they just stay there. But of course, in this game, as I said one of the last episodes, I believe the first one, that the red shells are smart in this game. They go around to the side usually. Usually, not always. Usually. So we're already on to. I'm not going to say the next level, but I can tell you that it's one of my faves. Not of the whole entire Mario Kart series, but definitely of this game. See ya.